Hi guys, this is my 5th time trying to record my Stitch Fix unboxing. I've had a lot of problems recording on my phone. I have turned the phone around to face me so I can actually see what I'm recording. And that means the quality of the video is not going to be as good as if I had the best camera facing. But I want to let you know what I got in my Stitch Fix box for the end of October. Now, last month I had a referral link up and so many of you used my referral link that I received credit. When you use someone's referral link, you get credit toward your first Stitch Fix and they get credit. And I had enough credit on that. Thank you so much for those of you that used the referral link. I got so much credit I could order another box in October, which I appreciated because I really need jeans and I really need a coat. And I noticed Stitch Fix had a lot of coats up on their Pinterest. So I was hoping for a warm winter coat. And I was able to order it because of people using my referral. So I appreciate that. I wanted to say thank you. If you're wondering what Stitch Fix is and how it works, I will give you a very simple 1-sentence description here. And for more details, open the description box below and you will see it. It is a styling service in the form of a subscription box, and they send you 5 items to try on at home. You pay for what you keep, you return for what you don't. There's a $20 styling fee, which is credited toward anything you purchase. And that was a really long run-on sentence. But let's see what's in this box. Sorry you guys missed the opening because I had one of Mary's special box openers, but that's gone. Let me show you what I got in this box. I requested jeans, a warm coat, and maybe a pullover. So I got 1 pair of jeans, I got 1 coat, and I got a bunch of pullovers. This is a very simple striped pullover. I love the color. I like it a lot. I'm not wild about stripes that go across because, as I said in my last unboxing, they can make me look like a beach ball. They're not the best thing for my particular body shape, but I got a striped sweater in the last Stitch Fix that I kept, and it actually was pretty flattering, so I'll try this. This particular item, though, I don't know if you will be able to see it on camera or not. There is a really big snag on it. So if I decide I like this particular item, I'm going to request an exchange because this has a massive snag right about here. Can't keep that one. Here's another pullover. This one's a little bit heavier than the last one, but it's not real heavy. It's the sort of thing you might wear inside when you want to keep the thermostat down a little bit. This is an oatmeal color I actually also really like, and it's a very simple pullover. We'll do a try on in a minute. You'll get to see it up closer. There's little sleeves, and it's got a slightly rounded hem. Now, it looks like everything she's sending is in size large. You'll know my size on my upper half is large petite or medium, but definitely leans toward large petite. Some larges I can get away with. Other ones I look like I'm wearing my dad's clothes. So we'll see how that looks. This next one, I did in my note request warm. Keyword is warm. This thing, now on screen, I don't know if you'll be able to see, it's actually red. It's not really burgundy, it's red. It's a deep red, like a dark cherry red with black stripes, black plaid. And black, like just a little bit like that, I don't mind. I don't like a whole lot of black. This is really thick. It's got kind of a funnel neck, and I guess you could turn that down like a turtleneck. If only you could feel this. This is like so thick it's almost spongy. Do you know what I mean? That kind of sweater, thick and soft. And it feels a little bit scratchy. So I feel like this is almost more outerwear, like you had a t-shirt under it and you put this on top. It certainly is warm. Well, I'm assuming it's warm. I haven't tried it on yet, but it feels like this would be very warm. Let's see how that goes. I appreciate my stylist trying to send something that was warm. Now, the jeans are black. My style profile says no black. I don't mind it as much in jeans or in trousers as I do near my face because I do better with navy than I do with black for a darker color. Black near my face, it just pulls all this gray out of my face and I look like I expired 3 days ago and just haven't laid down yet. So I'm not real wild about black. I do have no black on my style profile and I'm always frustrated when people send me black stuff. These are straight leg jeans. I did ask for straight leg jeans. They are cut from the Kloth, which is a brand I do not get because they're always, even if they say they're high rise, they're always a lower rise. They're usually mid-rise. They also run about a size large. So these she sent to me in 12 petite, which would be my usual size in bottoms. Top, I'm usually a medium or a large petite or a 10. Bottoms, I'm usually a 12 or 12 petite. but I have a feeling these might be too big because cut from the cloth runs big. I do have some jeans that are size 10s that fit me, but that's because they also run big. So I'm not real wild about the jeans, and I really needed jeans. The other thing I really needed was a coat. This is one of those packable coats. It's actually very thin. It's not down-filled. It feels like it's nothing filled, and it's black. So it did come in the original bundle. I wish I still had that footage. It was packed into this little square brick because you could actually fold this real flat. So if you travel a lot, this might be a nice lighter winter coat to wear. This is not going to be a warm coat. It does have a hood. It's got, I don't know if you can see now, you'll see during the try-on, it's got these little ties to sort of tighten the waist a little bit. It has regular open sleeves. This is definitely not what I was looking for in a warm coat. I did say in my note down was okay. I know they do have some down coats and jackets. I just need something that's going to be really warm in the winter. Nothing beats down. This is just good. This is more like a fall coat. It really is. And it's black. All right, we'll do the try on. As I said, I'm disappointed in this box, but I often change my mind once I see how things look on. So let's get on to the try on, and we'll see if I can get through at that without saying Okay, first item is the pink Clover Nickole textured pullover in beige. It is $44, and it is, I think, a little big on me. That's the problem I have with large sizes. I could cuff up the sleeves. It is very soft. It is very soft. I don't know how it looks lengthwise. And I hope this is recording right because I turned my phone around again to get a better picture, but it means I can't see what I'm recording. Okay, here is the Harvest Gold color. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Arnold Raglan knit top in mustard. This shade of mustard is one I like. Is it my imagination, or is one sleeve longer than the other? All right, this is the one that has a snag on it. I guess the snag's in the back because I don't see it in the front. I'm gonna have to look at the video. I feel like looking at it, this sleeve's longer than this sleeve. Maybe it's not positioned on me right? I don't know. Color is good. I like the color. Okay, this is not scratchy on. This is that really thick red. This also seems a little big, but that's me with my Tyrannosaur arms. No problem. I can cuff it. I can push it. This is the RD Style Abiagael cowl necked pullover in red. This is very pricey. It is $68. It is really warm. There's room under it for a t-shirt if I wanted to put on top. It is actually soft and thick. I don't know how it looks on. I also, again, can't see myself on the video, so I hope you can see. How does this look? It is really, really warm for those very cold winter days. Now the jeans, the cut from the cloth jeans, they feel mostly like they fit now, and that's the way cut from the cloth are. Within an hour, they will be stretched out. Trust me, I've owned these in the past, and they stretch out a full size. They also, the rise is down here. My belly button is up here. This is where they hit. They're not going to work for me, cut from the cloth. They do, however, go with the sweater. I think the length is okay. The rise is just a little low, and I know they're going to stretch out. So the cut from the cloth jeans are $88. And for $88, I would want perfect jeans. I don't want jeans that are going to stretch out. And let's see if I can put this up. So no to the jeans. Let's try the coat. Out, 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 out. Okay, this is the Bagatelle Lorenzo tie waist puffer coat. This is not very puffy. The tie waist is a drawstring on the outside. Not sure about that. And it is big on me. I could put a lot of layers under it. It's not warm by itself, and it's black, which I do not wear by my face. It's got buttons and a zipper. Let me unzip it. Want to buy a watch? Oh, here we go. All right. It's a pretty thin material. Does have a hood. I think this is a return. Wrap up. I am still wearing the RD style Abiagael cowl neck pullover. It is really warm. It's not really scratchy. It's thick. That's why I think I thought it was scratchy at first. You could easily wear a t-shirt under it. Let me know how you think it looked. It may feel a need in my closet for those really cold winter days of wanting something warm. I'm going to test drive it. I'm going to wear it for about 10 minutes. I might try it on again tomorrow before I have to return the items and see how it feels when I'm wearing it. It is pricey. At $68 for a sweater, it's pretty pricey. And it is 100% acrylic. I checked the tag. It should wash okay. I could really use something this warm for those very cold days where I don't want to turn up the thermostat, but I want to stay warm inside. And also for a day that's mild outside that I don't want to wear a heavy coat, this would keep me warm. So this may fill a need in my closet. Let me know what you think of it. This is the only thing out of this box I am considering keeping. The coat, Bagatelle Lorenzo waist tie puffer coat, $138 for a thin coat. All right, it's got this little drawstring on the outside. It is not a warm winter coat. I really wanted a warm winter coat. This doesn't, it's called puffer, but there's no lining in it. There's no fleece, there's no shearling, there's no down, it's just the cloth. This is a real disappointment. I also thought it was too big on me, and it's a color I do not wear. Now, if it was super warm and fit everything else, all the other bills I needed except for the color, I might keep it because I don't like to be cold in the winter. I like to be warm. And in New Jersey where I am, it actually gets pretty darn cold in the winter. So there's no way I'm keeping that. This one, I was disappointed when I tried it on because I liked it. This is the pink Clover Nickole textured pullover in beige. It's very soft. It's just a little bit big on me and a large petite. I might keep this. I would recommend it if this is your kind of sweater because it is so soft, but this is going to be return, I think. Let me know how you think it looked on me. I thought it didn't look quite right. This was disappointing because I love the color. I love the color. This is mixed by 41 Hawthorn. The Hawthorn Raglan knit in mustard. I swear one of the sleeves was like an inch shorter than the other, but maybe it was the way I had it positioned on me. It's a little expensive for what it is. It is like a little bit thicker than a t-shirt, but not as thick as a sweatshirt. I just love the color. I thought it wasn't flattering on me. And of course, this particular one has that snag in it. Try to find where that snag is now. Definitely not one I'm going to keep. And the last item are these cut from the cloth pants. They have problems that cut from the cloth always has, and that is the rise is too low. The rise is too low, and when I first tried them on, they fit exactly right, and by the end of the try-on, with just a few minutes, they were already stretching out. Cut from the cloth is notorious for that. They stretch out a full size larger. The black color isn't my favorite, but on the bottom, especially with this shirt, I thought that was okay. If they were a higher rise and a better quality jean than cut from the cloth, I would keep them. But this is not my brand, and I definitely need, I say in my style profile, I want a high rise. If it hits below my belly button, I'm not keeping it. So that was disappointing. Overall, I'd say I understand where she was going with some of these. And I know sometimes stylists face inventory challenges where there's just not a lot in stock on the day they're assigned to style someone. I would rather my fix be held for a few days to wait for something to come back in stock that suits me more than to rush a fix out with stuff I won't wear. I just don't wear black. So let me know what you think of this. This is the one almost keeper. And I will see you with my next fix. I will probably just turn around, mail this back, and request another one pretty quickly. And I will see you for that unboxing. But meanwhile, especially on this item, let me know what you think in the comments below. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.